Okay, a dog is leashed to the corner of a house with a 15-foot leash. So we know that the leash is going to be 15 feet. How much running area does the dog have? So we're looking at how much running area the dog has because the dog can't make its way through the walls of the house. That means we're just looking at this outside area here. Now this outside area here ends up being 3/4 of a circle, or 75% of a circle. Okay, so we want to find its running area. The first thing we're going to do is find the area of a circle, and then we're going to find 75% of that, or 3/4 of that. So when we do this, what we're going to start with is our formula, that the area is equal to pi times by the radius squared. We know our radius is equal to 15 because that's the length of the leash for the dog. So the area is going to equal to pi times by 15 squared. We then have area is equal to pi, and then 15 squared is going to be 225. And we can approximate the area by using 3.14 for pi. So we end up with 3.14 times by 225. Grabbing our calculator, okay, we want to check this. I'm going to check 15 times by 15 just because I want to make sure I did it right. Yep, times that by 3.14, and we end up with 706.5, right? So let's just double check that again. We have 225 times by 3.14, and we have 706.5. So we have our area of a full circle with a radius of 15 is 706.5. Now, because we don't have the full circle for the area of the dog, we only have 75% of that area. What we're going to do is we're going to take this 706.5 and we're going to times it by 0.75. 706.5. And that's going to give us the area for the dog. So what we're going to see is we're going to take this, we're going to times it by 0.75. We're going to end up with 529.875. So we have 529.875. Now we want to round our answer to the nearest square foot, which is a whole number. So we're going to see, we're going to the whole number place. We're going to see this right here. We need to round up. This becomes a 10, but the 10 doesn't fit in that spot, right? So the 1 has to move over. So we end up with, this is going to become 530 square feet. So when we look at this, we should see that we're at about 530 for the running area of the dog. And we are good.